This summer, we embarked on an unforgettable luxury vacation to Beaches Turks and Caicos. We flew nonstop from Philadelphia to Providenciales. From there, we hopped on the complimentary Beaches transfer bus, and we were so ready to start our adventure. We arrived at the resort, and we were welcomed with refreshing hot towels. It was evident right when we arrived how gorgeous this property was. The architecture, the landscaping, everything. We had the most incredible view of the ocean. When we arrive at resorts, we really enjoy getting a lay of the land by walking around and kind of checking things out. One of the first things that we stumbled upon was the Kids Club. The Kids Club was definitely a spot that Ben and Nora absolutely loved. Tons of activities, great counselors, kept them busy the entire time. Another thing we noticed was just how many pools there were. There were pools everywhere. Beaches Turks and Caicos has 8 pools scattered amongst this humongous campus. We had a pool right outside of our village building, but we actually really enjoyed the one over by the Arizona's bar. We also really enjoyed the Italian Village pool as well. It was great to hop around the resort and experience the different pools and the different vibes that came with each one. There are a ton of included activities, and for certified divers, scuba diving is one of them. I didn't have my certification before the trip, but I've always wanted to learn, so I took the PADI Scuba certification course. While this is an extra cost, it was totally worth it. After just one day of training, I was out in the open ocean, exploring an entirely new world beneath the surface. I saw stingrays, barracudas, crabs, and even a shark. One of the cool free activities we found was the pop-up tie-dye experience. Pro tip, bring your own t-shirt from home. Last time we visited a beaches resort, we learned the hard way and paid resort prices. But this time we stocked up on cheap shirts from Old Navy's discount rack right before the trip. We also splurged on the Sesame Street Breakfast party, a paid add-on, but totally worth it. The food was good, but honestly, this was all about the experience. The kids had an absolute blast, and seeing their excitement made it a highlight of our trip. There are a few different packages that go along with the Sesame Street character breakfast. We ended up going with the deluxe family package. That included an 8x10 photograph as well as 2 Sesame Street plush dolls. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite part, the food and drink. With over 20 restaurants and 3 food trucks, the choices were endless. One of our top picks was the poolside pizza, which was perfect for a quick and easy meal. For drinks, Beaches has 14 different bars, but my favorite, the dive truck, where I discovered a delicious local beer that I absolutely loved. Like any all-inclusive resort, food can be hit or miss, but overall we were really impressed. Our favorites included soy sushi bar. We may have eaten a little too much sushi here, but no regrets. Barefoot by the Sea was another highlight for us. Amazing food with the added bonus of beachfront dining. And this one, I hope I'm saying this correct, is Sepodias. This one's adults only. So we had a special date night here for Mandi and I. Huge thanks to our friends for watching the kids. We had an amazing time at Beaches Turks and Caicos, a trip filled with memories, great food, and new experiences. One thing we learned, the location and category of your room can make a huge difference in your overall experience. If you're planning a trip, Mandi can help you choose the best option to make it absolutely perfect. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe and like button. It truly means the world to us. Until next time, keep making memories.